as their nervous system regulates. And again, as they're starting to be able to be more thoughtful. And it's every fourth or fifth kid that will tell me, I haven't ever finished a book. And so then to sit in that peacefulness, again, talking about experiential work here, to sit in the peacefulness of that outdoors, or to be out there in a way where they don't have those distractions. And the pride that comes from being able to read a book is pretty powerful to see, as far as I have a number of those are young people with dyslexia, where they're like, never been able to read a book, and for some reason I can't hear, because again, there's not this pressure. But that idea then of being excited about like reading a book and reconnecting with that as a coping mechanism.
Yeah.
Because think about even just as a calming technique that it requires to read a book, as their nervous system starts to regulate, as they start to get a bit more focused and they're not so distracted by the outside world. They're starting to let go of their friends in some ways of, wonder what Johnny's doing, or I wonder what my buddy's doing, or do they miss me? And then they're able to focus more on simple things like reading a book is, I think, a symptom of the meaning of like experiential kind of therapy there.